In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off maintenance mode in WordPress. This feature in WordPress is quite handy when you're updating your site. It temporarily puts your website into a maintenance state, notifying visitors that your site will be back shortly. However, sometimes, your site can get stuck in this mode, which prevents users from accessing your content even after updates are complete. So, let's go through the steps to resolve this issue smoothly. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress hosting account. This is typically done on the platform where your website is hosted, like Bluehost, SiteGround, or any other hosting service you use. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Control Panel or cPanel, which is often accessible from the main dashboard of your hosting account. The cPanel is essentially the administrative interface of your hosting service, where you can manage various aspects of your website. Next, you need to locate and open the File Manager. It's usually optioned within the Files section of your cPanel. The File Manager is an essential tool as it lets you navigate through the core files that make up your website. Within the File Manager, browse to the root directory of your website. This root directory is typically named public HTML, or it might simply be the domain name folder if you're managing multiple sites. Here, you'll want to look for a file named .maintenance. This file is what tells WordPress to display the maintenance mode message. However, if you don't find it right away, don't panic. You may need to ensure that hidden files are visible. Typically, there's an option somewhere on the page to show hidden files, often accessible from a drop-down menu located at the top right corner of the File Manager page. Once hidden files are displayed, you'll likely spot the .maintenance file. Now, the task is simple: delete the .maintenance file. You can do this by right-clicking on the file and selecting the delete option, or simply using the delete button presented on the interface. Removing this file will effectively disable maintenance mode on your WordPress site, allowing visitors to access your content once again. Before wrapping up, it's usually a good idea to refresh your website from your browser to ensure everything is back to normal. If your site loads as expected without showing the maintenance message, then you've successfully disabled maintenance mode. In case the site doesn't appear correctly, consider clearing your browser cache or checking any caching plugins you have installed. And that's it. Now you know how to easily turn off maintenance mode in WordPress. The next time you encounter this issue, you'll be equipped to handle it quickly, ensuring minimal downtime for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.